Hey there, kids. Let's take a look at this problem right here. It says this: Manuel's small dog eats 2/4 of a bag of dog food in 1 month. His large dog eats 3/4 of a bag of dog food in 1 month. How many bags do both dogs eat in 6 months? Okay, well, there's a lot of important information in here, right? There's some information about how much his small dog eats, and there's some information about how much his large dog eats, right? And then they tell you also that they've been doing this for 6 months. So all that information is important right there. There's a lot of different ways you could do this problem, but the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to take the 2/4 of the bag that the small dog eats, and I'm going to add it to the 3/4 of a bag that the big dog eats, and that would tell me how much they eat in 1 month. So let's do that. Let's see, we got 2/4 for the small dog plus 3/4 for the large dog. That equals 5/4, right? Isn't that true? 2/4 plus 3/4 equals 5/4. Now you might be saying to me, hey, Mr. Merson, that's an improper fraction. Don't worry about it. We're going to fix it later, okay? Because it says this right here. They want to know how much do they eat in 6 months. Well, if they eat this much, 5/4 in 1 month, in 6 months, they eat 6 times as much as that. So we want to go 6 times 5/4, right? Okay, we're going to go 6 times 5. That's 30. And it stays fourths, right? It's 5/4 plus 5/4 plus 5/4 plus 5/4 plus 5/4 plus 5/4. We do that 6 times, so it comes out to be 30/4. Now you might be looking at this and you say to yourself, hey, a 4-year-old should not be carrying around a 30-year-old. You know what I mean? So we have to fix that right there. Okay. Now you could go figure out how many holes there are in 30. So you could go, how many 4/4 are in there? Well, 1/4, and then 2/4 would make 8/4, and then 3 would make 12/4. So that'd take a long time to do. Here's another way that you can do it. This bar right here really means the same thing as divided by. Okay, we can put a division symbol there. So this is really the same thing as 30 divided by 4. So we can come on over here and we can go 30 divided by 4. 4 goes into 30, let's see here, 6 times, no, 7 times, 8 times, 7 times, right. Okay, so 7 times 4 is 28. You subtract and you get a 2. Okay, so the answer here is equals 7. There's 7 holes. It goes in there 7 times. We can get 4/4 into 30 7 times. And then there's going to be 2/4 left over, right? Okay, so the answer is 7 and 2/4, except for you kids know that 2/4 can be simplified. Do you know how much 2/4 really is? Right. You could write that right here, and that would be your final answer. Kids, go ahead and give that a shot. If you need help, come see us. We will help you. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.